First Warn 5 Weather Report, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta Dealerships.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Saturday evening, everyone. So once again, we had another round of very warm and humid weather today with partly cloudy skies and high temperatures reaching the 90s. It is going to be quiet tonight, but there is a chance for some patchy late fog. Here's the radar and satellite. The green you see on the map, that's not rain. Those are false returns. It will stay rain-free for tonight with mostly cloudy skies later on this evening. Just a mild and muggy night tonight again with temperatures dipping into the lower 70s. Right now, lower 80s in McAllen, also lower 80s in Edinburgh and Rio Grande City. 79 in Raymondville and Harlingen, and 80 degrees in Port Isabel and Brownsville. Take a look at the winds. Because the winds are continuing from the east to southeast, that's why it has been so humid. That's why it'll stay muggy for tonight. Wind speeds between 8 to 16 miles an hour. Your day planner forecast for Mother's Day Sunday, 75 degrees at 8 a.m. There is a chance for some patchy fog. We'll have mostly cloudy skies in the morning, but partly cloudy skies by the afternoon. 88 degrees at noon and 92 at 5 p.m. So our high temperature should be right around 93. With mid-90s for the valley, but when you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it will feel like 97 degrees. But happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there for Sunday. Just a very warm and humid day tomorrow. Here's the surface map. The surface winds continue from the southeast, shown by the white arrows. That's because we're on the backside of high pressure centered over the southeastern U.S., and that's why the winds are coming from the southeast. The nearest front is over Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle, and it is not coming anywhere near the valley. So for us, our very quiet weather pattern will continue. Look at the temperatures right now. We are in the 70s and 80s around Texas. 79 degrees in San Antonio and Abilene, 80 in Austin and DFW, 87 Del Rio, 84 in El Paso, 80 in Amarillo, and 77 in Houston and Longview. So here's Future Track, and the reason why this quiet, dry, hot, and humid weather pattern will continue here in the valley is because we're still under this big blue age, big ridge of high pressure low. This is the map about 18,000 feet in altitude. And because of that upper level high pressure system, that ridge of high pressure here, that's why it should stay dry really for the next 5 to 7 days. So forget this green that you see on the map here. Sometimes the model overdoes the rain, at least in our area. Maybe raining elsewhere later on this week, but for us, it's just going to stay dry here for the rest of the weekend into most of next week. So we can expect high temperatures each day in the 90s with morning lows in the 70s. Rain chance is really not looking very good for the valley for the next 5 to 7 days, unfortunately, though we do need some more rain. Winds will be out of the southeast on the water tonight between 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a high tide at 3:14 tomorrow morning, and the seas will be 2 to 5 feet. So for tonight, mostly cloudy skies late. There is a chance for some patchy fog late tonight and early tomorrow morning with a low temperature of 73. Then for tomorrow, after clouds in the morning, it is partly cloudy by the afternoon, just very warm and humid with high temperatures in the lower 90s. We will see mid-90s, though, for the upper valley. And here's that 7-day forecast. I just cut and paste this forecast because it is more of the same each day. Clouds each morning, partly cloudy skies or mostly sunny skies each afternoon. We're at 93 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 94 Thursday, Friday, and next Saturday. The morning lows are very mild each day. We're now to 74 Monday morning, 73 Tuesday, Wednesday morning, 74 Thursday, and Friday morning. Again, sadly, no real rain chances to talk about over the next 7 days because the pattern is simply too stable. And that's your First Warn 5 forecast.